Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Rosegirls pre-order haul. This is from the March pre-order. I tried to be pretty conservative with the bags. There was a few bags that I kept looking at and I'm like, oh my gosh, but some of them, like, I thought, well, I can just make my own mixes with them, or some I've tried before, or some I even have. So just like, okay, just calm your stuff and just, try to order what you can't make yourself or whatever. So this is Jenny's card, which, as always, very professional, very cute. So I did get a big sample from her. Well, not a big sample, but I think everyone got this, or if you had a bigger order, you probably got maybe a couple of these. But I think these are very generous samples. This is Sweet Lavender. This is so weird because I swear I have a bag of her lavender. I don't know if it's sweet though. It might just be regular lavender. I need to go smell it, but I don't know why. I feel like it smells different to me. Maybe, I mean, it smells like the lavender and Soothing Lavender Dreams. But the other bag I have, I don't know. Maybe she's got different lavenders. I need to check. Don't quote me on any of that. I'm just going off what I smell right now and like what I think. All right, so the first bag that I got is Angel Fluff Salad. Now, somewhere along the line, I smelled this. It was either in a blend or I got it in like a flash type of sale or a ready to ship type of sale that she had. This is the only bag I got because this is the only one that was kind of one I hadn't tried, one that was unique to me. So this is strawberries and raspberries blended into rich vanilla cream and topped with coconut shavings and marshmallows. This one just smelled really good to me when I smelled it the first time. And it was unique enough to me. I just think it smells really pretty. It's not like super juicy, fruity. Why did I have to say juicy? It's not super fruity. You do get the strawberries and the raspberries in there, but it's not like it doesn't overtake the thing, you know? And then you get it's kind of like that salad that you get. It kind of reminds me of like marshmallow salad that you have it, I think it's called marshmallow salad, that you have at Thanksgiving time. That kind of has the marshmallow cream like whipped in. Yeah, so that one is that, and that one smells really good. I just really like this one. It's a sweet, probably a good blender as well, but I think it'll be really nice by itself. So that is a bag of that. All right, for chunk muffins, the first thing I got is Absolute Coffee, Salted Caramel, and Pie Crust. And let me just move my list in. I didn't do the labels on my stuff yet, so that's basically self-explanatory, so I don't really need to look that one up, but I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of those because I was like, this one just sounds like one that I would like. I love pie crust. And this one is very heavy on the pie crust. It complements the coffee really nicely. I like this one. Not overly dominant on the caramel to me. You can smell it, but to me the pie crust kind of, like, my nose picks up the pie crust more because I think I'm familiar with it. Oh, that one's nice. Glad I grabbed a couple of these because I like any kind of coffee and pie crust. I'm like all over it. So now this one, granted, I probably could have melted with mini melters, but I'm trying to get away. If you saw my stash collection, my wax collection video or whatever, I did mention in there that I'm trying to get away from ordering the mini melters and just ordering the blends. So that way they're just already blended up and I don't have to worry about it. Okay, the next one I'm gonna grab is Date Night. And Date Night is Biolage, Twilight Woods, and Pink Sugar. I just grabbed one of these because Biolage is not something that I love and Pink Sugar is not something that I love, but sometimes Jenny will like blend things up and they just smell good, even if I don't like them. And I do like this one. This one's very pretty. Glad I only got one muffin though because I don't like love it, but it's good. I think I'm getting mostly the Biolage and probably the Twilight Woods. I'm not picking up a lot of Pink Sugar. So that one might actually work out well for me. Let's see, what do we have next? There's a few I'm looking at now and I'm like, why didn't I grab that? Probably because I already knew what my stash looked like and I was like, holy crap. Okay, so next one I grabbed is Hello Summer. This is another one that I just grabbed just based on kind of the review. So this is Estee Lauder type, Bronze Goddess Estee Lauder type, and Lemon Rose Water. Tropical, botanical, sophisticated, light rose, and sweet lemon mingle with notes of sun-drenched bergamot, coconut, amber, and is it tiare flower? I don't know. Some sort of flower. Sorry. Excuse me. I don't know why my throat always wants to go ape shit. I like this. I don't know that I've smelled Bronze Goddess before. I feel like I should have, but I'm not getting a lot of lemon. Huh, this one's really unique. You know, I've never smelled anything like this before. That's what I love. I love when you get things that like you've never smelled before and you kind of dig them, but you don't really know why. Huh, I don't know. That one's kind of got like a warmth to it. Maybe it's the amber. I feel like I'm pretty familiar with bergamot, but I don't know that I'm getting bergamot in there. I don't know what I'm smelling. Okay, so this one's, let's just leave it up to warm reviews on that one, because, you know, cold reviews really don't mean anything. Just kind of give like warm reviews to me are just kind of like, I mean, cold reviews to me are just kind of like your first impression, like what you smell. Okay, the next one I grab is Poolside. And I grabbed 3 of these because I was like, oh my God, Fluffy Towel, Salty Sea Air. I don't love Blackberry that much, but I thought I liked Fluffy Towels, but I don't know if this is similar to Fluffy Towels that I've smelled before. So Poolside, obviously, is what I just said. Fluffy Towels, Salty Sea Air, and Blackberry. Fresh, sweet, and clean. I don't know that I like this one. This one, I don't know. I don't know if I like... The Fluffy Towels doesn't smell... Because okay, here's the thing. I've had a Fluffy Towel oil, a few of them, and I've had them and I was like, Fluffy Towels is one of those laundry scents that has too much floral in it for me. So when I warm it, I'm just like, no. But I don't smell like that in here. I'm mostly getting, I smell the Blackberry pretty prominently and the Salty Sea Air. Blackberry for me is funny. It's like, I don't know. Like sometimes I love Blackberry, sometimes I don't. I grabbed 3 of those. I thought I was gonna like really just dig that one, and that's just one that I don't know. It might be different on warm. Who knows? Okay. What's the next one I want to do here? Okay, so I did grab Rosemary Mint and Gilligan's Brew. I grabbed 3 of those because I love Rosemary Mint and I like Gilligan's Brew quite a bit. So Rosemary Mint and Gilligan's Brew, creamy coconut cream blended with earthy rosemary mint. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Not sure why I had to read it. This one is really pretty. I'm getting a lot of Gilligan's Brew in here. And it's not so strong on the rosemary mint. I probably would have liked a little bit more rosemary mint in here, but I do pretty sure I have rosemary mint somewhere in my collection that I can kind of mix it up. But this one's pretty heavy on Gilligan's Brew, surprisingly. Very creamy though. If you're kind of new to rosemary mint, this one might be a good one to try because you're not getting so much rosemary mint. At least not right now on cold. It might completely change on warm. And then I grabbed, so this one I knew I was gonna love already. So this is Salty Sea Air Zen Olive Coconut Lime Verbena, and this is, let's see, does she have it written somewhere, like what? Oh no, okay, all right, so she doesn't. But I had a Coconut Lime Verbena Zen that I freaking loved. I loved the scent. I talked about it in my warm reviews. I emptied a bag of it. I absolutely loved this one. So I thought, well, with the Salty Sea Air and the olive, I'll probably just like it even more. It'll be fine. And it is. It's really good. This is a really clean, fresh, kind of a sharpness to it. Like as far as, when I say sharp, I mean like it's really got like a sharp, like, I guess an ozone note to me. Like I don't know, like a sharp, clean note. I don't ever know how to describe it, but it's pretty. This one is probably one of my favorites from the order right here. I did grab 3 of that one, so that one I am happy I grabbed 3. So there's that. So let's just push these back a little bit. When you're ordering, it doesn't ever seem like that much, but then when you get it and you look at it like right here, I'm like, holy crap. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna have room to like put this in my thing. I did grab one Vanilla Supreme, which is dumb because I love vanilla scents. So vanilla oak, vanilla lace, vanilla sandalwood, and vanilla bean noel. This is just one that I was like, okay, I do like vanilla, but like, you know, some of those vanillas, I'm kind of like, Okay, yeah. Okay, so I would say I'm glad I only got one of these because it's not, it's good, but it's not my, you know, I don't see myself warming through it like crazy and then being like, oh man, I'm done with it. This one is very earthy. I smell the vanilla oak and the vanilla sandalwood pretty strongly. You get a little bit of sweetness from the vanilla lace, I feel like. And I smell a little bit of vanilla bean noel. I mean, I'm pretty familiar with vanilla bean noel. This one is really good if you like something that's not like obviously sweet. So, okay, so that is it. That is my Rosegirls pre-order. I missed her last pre-order. I was trying to stay away, and then I I was gonna go in and like just grab like 3 things because I was like, there was 3 things that were kind of taunting me, and I was like, okay, just get them. And then I ended up being at my daughter's graduation when the thing closed. Someone had said that it would close Saturday morning, so I was like, oh, I have time. And then it ended up closing like Friday at like afternoon while I was like busy with graduation stuff, which is fine. Like, it's not going to kill me to miss a pre-order for sure. Like, it's definitely not going to kill me. So anyways, all right, well, just wanted to share that haul with you guys. And yeah, if you guys ordered anything from the pre-order, let me know what you like and what you got and maybe what you didn't like. If you got anything that I didn't get, and there's a few things on the list, like, but you know, at some point you just have to like censor yourself, and not censor yourself, but like stop yourself, and I guess edit yourself is the better word. And, you know, just be like, okay, there's a certain point where I'm going to oversaturate myself with scent. So I'm pretty much at that point. So I need to like slow my roll. That's why I've been enjoying ordering from like some of these newer vendors that I've been ordering from, because they offer scent shots. You can get through scent shots pretty quickly. Like, you know, it's not a lot to go through a scent shot. But when you start getting into bigger quantities, it's like, holy crap, I have like 20 ounces of this scent. Like, yeah, 20 ounces? I don't know what I was trying to say. Anyways, okay. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.